It's easy to pair and install the Iris keypad. Here's how to get started. To begin, you should be in the same room as your hub. In the Iris app, go to the Add section and tap Devices, then Keypad. This will put the hub in pairing mode, indicated by a blinking green light. Pull the Battery tab. The sensor's LED will blink while searching for the hub. When the hub beeps, your device has been paired. Now, let's install it. The mounting adhesive makes it easy to mount and later relocate without putting holes in your wall. Screws are included for a more permanent installation. Make sure the surface is clean and dry. Add the mounting adhesive to the back of the mounting bracket. Press and hold it against the wall for 10 seconds, and you're done.